Hi everyone, I'm in the process of making dinner, but as a side dish, what I'm doing today is I'm gonna make fried zucchini flowers. I had to think about it. First of all, when you get the flowers, don't let them wait too long, because I bought these yesterday, and what's happening is I put them in the refrigerator, but they're starting to wilt. Zucchini flowers are very delicate. So what I'm doing here is I have a cup of flour, to which I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of granulated garlic, a half a cup of grated cheese of your choice, and some fresh parsley. So I'm going to mix this all together, and I'm going to add 2 scrambled eggs. If the scrambled eggs don't make it moist enough, you can add a little milk, which I have here. So you got to make a batter, like a pancake batter, similar to a pancake batter. Here we go. Actually, I might just add another egg. 3 eggs, a cup of flour, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and fresh parsley. And here we go. So make sure that the zucchini flowers are washed and dried. Don't put them in the batter wet.
How do you wash them?
In the water, in a colander. A colander. Now, some people, that was a nice accent. Some people, what they do is stuff them. You can stuff them. I'm going to try and stuff a couple when I'm done here, but I've never done it before, so I don't want to do it on the video. What you have to do is, and these are very nice long stems, which I love. So what you're going to do is dip the zucchini flowers in the batter. And put them in the oil. That's part of the zucchini flower. These are so delicious. And the zucchini flowers only come out a certain time of the year. You can't get these all the time. I went to the farm that's by here, and I went and they sold them to me a dozen for $10. In Arthur Avenue, they sell them by the pound. But as I said, there's only a certain time of the year. Otherwise, that's it. Are
these like actual big and beautiful zucchini flowers? Because I'm not a professional.
Well, they were yesterday. They shriveled up a little bit.
They look like they might
because I should have cooked it yesterday, but...
They look like they're glorious ones, but I don't know any better.
Look at this. Oh my God. I'm going to save a few because I'm going to stuff them with some mascarpone. Mascarpone, eggs, cheese, whatever. I have zucchini plants myself, but I have to learn when to pick them. I was watching a video on YouTube that said when you pick them, you have to be careful, because if you pick the wrong ones, your zucchinis won't grow. So,
and we want our zucchinis to grow.
Of course. These are so delicious. I'm gonna make these fry up a little bit, and then I'll be back to taste it, and I swear you're gonna love them. Okay, so I'm taking the last one out. I like the long stems because then you could just pick them up.
Yeah, it makes it easy to eat.
It makes it easier, yes. Okay. They're a little hot.
Just came out of the hot oil.
That's how the Italians do it. They're delicious. I'm gonna try the mascarpone stuffed ones, and if they come out good, I'll video those for you. Until next time, bon appetit.